This is, question answer session, and everybody can mute first of all, and I'll ask the question one by one. This is again a rapid fire, and you have to give the answer, randomly. If you are taking the time, your time will be left. The second question will be started. So I will start with Ayush. Okay, Ayush, are you ready?
सर
Ayush,
आयुष हमने कल वाली उतार रहा है बैठ के।
क्या उतार रहा है?
कल वाली
Mr.
Are you
सिंगिंग बुक।
ready?
Sir, my voice is clear or not?
Little bit. I mean, you should, speak loudly, but don't eat in between. This. Now,
सर
just
वो
start.
नींबू है।
Okay, just mute yourself, everybody. Ayush, are you ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, train रुक रुक कर आ रही है. Now, your time
Train
is
is
start.
com- Train is coming in intermittently.
Okay, उसे जाने दो. उसे जाने दो.
Let him go.
अगर मेरे पास पंख होते तो मैं आपके पास उड़कर आ जाता.
If I have wings, I would fly to you.
वेरी गुड, वेल डन. तुमने भगवान से क्या मांगा?
What did you ask to God?
What did, can you repeat?
Sir, what did you ask to God?
करेक्ट. वह मन ही मन हंस रहा था.
He was laughing inwardly.
What is the meaning of inwardly?
Sir, man hi man.
Okay, can you repeat the sentence?
He was laughing inwardly.
ओके, लता मंगेशकर, सोनू निगम 25 साल से गाना गा रहा है. सोनू निगम 25 साल से गाना गा रहा है.
Sonu Nigam has been singing for 25 years.
कैन यू टेल मी द विच सेंटेंस, सॉरी, विच टेंस इज देयर? कैन यू, आई मीन, टेल मी द टेंस नेम. सोनू निगम 25
Sir,
साल से गाना गा रहा है. दिस इज व्हाट?
present perfect continuous.
करेक्ट. जब पढ़ने की बारी आती है तो तुम सोने चले जाते हो.
When it comes to read, you go to sleep.
जस्ट करेक्ट. कैन यू रिपीट इट अगेन?
When it comes to reading, you go to sleep.
करेक्ट. तुम बात बात पर गुस्सा हो जाते हो.
You get angry on every single matter.
कैन यू रिपीट अगेन?
You get angry on every single matter.
करेक्ट. वह बहुत पाखंडी है.
He is very hypocrite.
What is the meaning of पाखंडी का? What is the word meaning of पाखंडी?
Sir, hypocrite.
करेक्ट. मुझे कौन बदनाम करने की कोशिश कर रहा है? मुझे कौन बदनाम करने की कोशिश कर रहा है?
Who is trying to defame me?
Who is trying? Again, can you repeat?
Sir, who is trying to defame me?
Who is trying to defame me? करेक्ट. किसके कहने पर तुम्हें ऐसा करना पड़ा? किसके कहने पर तुम्हें ऐसा करना पड़ा?
At whose based you had to do this work.
This is wrong. At whose behest you
Yes,
had
sir.
to do this?
I can't pronounce.
Yeah, at whose behest you had to do this work. Now, next is, देखते ही देखते वह भाग गया. देखते ही देखते वह भाग गया.
He ran away.
He ran away. लैप्स. घर घर में परेशानी है.
There is problem in every single house.
Can you repeat it again?
There is problem in every single house.
Okay. गली गली में शोर है.
There is noise in each and every street.
Okay. Can you repeat it again loudly?
There is noise in each and every street.
Correct. जब देखो तुम पढ़ते रहते हो.
Uh, whenever it is seen, you are keep studying.
Can you repeat it again?
Whenever it seem, you are keep studying or keep reading.
Keep reading. Right. Correct. मैं तुम्हारा बैंड बजा दूंगा. नहीं, just convert into
Sir,
English.
sir, I will screw you.
Okay. Great यार. I will screw you. Right. अभी भी वक्त है, सुधर जाओ.
There is still time left. एक मिनट.
Can you repeat it
Sir,
again?
दोबारा repeat please.
अभी भी वक्त है, सुधर जाओ.
There is still time to improve.
करेक्ट. मैं गाली देने वालों में से नहीं हूँ.
I was not.
मैं गाली देने वालों में से नहीं हूँ.
I am not one. I am not one of those who abuse.
Can you repeat it again?
I am not one of those who abuse.
करेक्ट. मैं उनमें से नहीं हूँ कि जो स्कूल ना जाएं.
I am not one of those who don't go to school.
Can you repeat?
I am not one of those who don't go to school.
करेक्ट. मैं उनमें से नहीं हूँ कि झूठ बोलूं.
I am not one of those who speaks lie.
Can you repeat?
I am not one of those who speaks lie. Speaks a lie.
Okay. पूछने में क्या जाता है.
Sir, what goes to ask?
Can you repeat it again?
What goes to ask?
करेक्ट. देखने में क्या जाता है.
What goes to see?
Can you repeat it again?
What goes to see?
ओके. जब खेलने की बारी आती है तो वो दौड़ा चला आता है.
When it comes to playing, he comes running.
Can you repeat it again?
When it's time for playing, he comes running. He comes with running.
Okay. Now just clap for him. The only 2 questions are wrong. Every question is right. But just clap for, everybody should clap. Great. Well done. Very good. Great shot. This is, a ball was all the time in the air and it's a U6. So he go for the U6. So complete. All the sentences are correct. Only 2 sentences were wrong. So thanks a lot. Very nice session.